If you want to install an Android game on a device, it can be PC, and they give you this error if you click here on install on more devices. They just tell you this Google account is not yet associated with a device. Please access the Play Store app on your device before installing apps. Now, this is very easy to fix. You just need an account that is associated with your Android device. It can be an Android or emulator. So just sign in using the account that is associated with your Android device. So let me show you. So on your Android phone or emulator, just search for the Play Store and open the Play Store application. And make sure to click on your profile and make sure the account that you want to sign in or to download the game is selected. So after signing in on the Play Store using your Android device or emulator, now select the account that has been signed in on your Android phone. For me, this account can be found here. So let me sign out. So just select here and select sign in. So sign in with Google. Select the account that is associated with your Android device. For me, it is this one. Now, after signing in, you can proceed by installing on more devices and you'll install without any issues. As you can see here, I can choose the device that is my phone, which has already been signed in using my account, and select here install, and you can be able to install the game without any problem.